everybody, I'm Deb with the Apple Tree. Just wanted to talk to you today a little bit about Couture and how I came to find out about it, and let you know how much I love it. I decided to go to a local event that was being held by a fellow chalker. She had it at her home, and I instantly fell in love. This was last fall, and I remember we made the Baby It's Cold Outside with the mittens on it, and the detail in these transfers is just incredible, way beyond what a stencil can do. And I was just amazed by it and immediately fell in love. I didn't sign up right away. I just wanted to just kind of think about it for a while. Well, a couple months later, last February, I decided to join just to become a hobbyist and enjoy making crafts with these transfers. And I'm hooked. I absolutely love doing it. It doesn't take a lot of time if you don't have a lot of time. Say, you're a full-time worker, you're a mom, you got a house to take care of. This is the kind of craft that gives you pretty much instant satisfaction, depending on how much detail you want to put into it. For me, it's great because I have fibromyalgia and lower back pain, and this is the type of crafting that, again, because it is pretty quick and easy, it's something that I can do without being in too much pain. It doesn't take long to do it. I can work on a few projects and I feel satisfied that I've gotten something done and fulfilled my need to craft. So I just wanted to give you guys a little history on how I became a designer for Couture. And I was lucky enough to be able to attend the Couture convention that was just held in June, and it was absolutely fabulous. The food, the people, the venue, and getting to meet everyone at the headquarters of Couture was amazing. They are a wonderful group of people. Yeah, that's it in a nutshell at the moment. I will be beginning to make some videos to show you how to use Couture and what it's all about, and those will be coming very soon. Thank you for your time, and thanks for listening to my story. We'll see you soon.